Greetings of the day. Welcome back to the SolidWorks tutorial. Today we are going to create toroidal winding as you can see on the screen. Let's start. Initially go to new, select part, then select the front plane, then sketch. Here I have to create the center line. So I will select the infinite center line. Fine. Now I have to create the core for the winding. I'll select circle. I take this diameter for 25 mm. Fine. Now I select this 2 point and say horizontal. Now I'll give the dimension from this point to this point, which is 50 mm. Fine. The sketch is fully defined. Exit from the sketch. Go to the revolve boss. Fine. It took automatically this line as a center line and this as a path. Now say OK. Fine. I'll go to the appearance now. Select iron, then just select this revolve and sandblasted iron added. I just rename it as a core. Fine, core is done. Now I have to create the winding for this one. So I'll go to the top plane, sketch. Here I will draw one circle 100 mm dia. Then I will create three center line over here. One is on the center, sorry, one center line over here, and another two center line from this point, and another here. Now I'll give the dimension to this. Thus I'll make it as an infinite length. So easy to give the dimension. Then dimension here 10 degree, and here also it is 10 degree. Now I will trim this area. Fine. Now I have this arc here. Exit from sketches. Now this arc is created. Fine. Now I have to create another sketch. For that I will select the uh, top plane, sketch. Here I will create one small circle on this line having dia 5 mm. Fine. And its dimension from this point to this point 66 mm. Fine. Now I'll exit the sketch. Now have to go to the swept boss. Then here profile, I have to select this circle, and then path, I have to select this arc. Then here I will have to go to the option. In the profile twist I have to select the specify twist value. So in the twist control I have to select the revolutions. In this area I have to click 33 revolution, then say OK. Fine. This is showing the windings. Now I have to complete this winding. So here I have to go to the point, then here select this surface. Just make sure that the center of face is selected here. Then OK. The point is created in the center of the circle. So I created this point to create the plane here. So for my plane, first reference this is point, and second reference I have to select the origin. Then third reference I'll select the top plane. So this plane is created. Now I have to sketch on this plane. Here I have to take 3-point arc from this point. Make sure this point and this point horizontal, and this point to this point is vertical. And I'll create one line here. Now I'll give the dimension. This arc radius is 10 and this line is 20. Fine. Now exit from the sketch. Now go to the shift boss. Here this path is selected. I am not selecting any profile, so I'll select the circular profile here and give the diameter 5, and also make sure that merge tangent face is clicked and align with end faces also clicked. Now say OK. Fine. Okay, one side end of the winding is done. So same I have to create on the another side here. So I'll select, first of all I'll create the point over here. Center of the face is selected. OK. Now I have to create the plane here. First point for the plane is selected. Second reference is our origin, and third reference is top plane. Okay, plane is created. Now I have to sketch on this plane. I'll take a 3-point arc from this point. Radius is 10. Then I will draw one. Before that, make sure that these 2 points are horizontal and these are vertical. Now I will create a line here which is 20. Okay. Now exit from the sketch. Now go to the set boss. Path is selected. Here I will select the circular profile and make dia 5 and merge with tangent faces. Click, align with end face also. Click. Then say OK. So another end also winding is proper. Now I just hide these extra planes and sketches. Now I'll go to the appearance. Here I'll select copper and I'll select here this winding and satin finish copper. I'll add it. Okay, fine. Our our toroidal winding is done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and share. For more such videos, please subscribe to our channel. Good day.